To upload products to Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Products section. Click the Add Product button to create a new product page. Enter the product title and description in the respective fields. The product title should be concise and descriptive, while the description should provide more details about the product. Add high-quality product images by clicking the Add Image button. You can upload images from your computer or use a stock photo website. Make sure the images are clear and show the product from different angles. Set the product price and compare at price if applicable. The compare at price is the original price of the product before any discounts. You can also set the cost per item, which is the amount it costs you to produce or purchase the product. Configure the inventory settings by selecting the Track Quantity option. This will allow Shopify to keep track of your product stock levels. You can also set a low stock threshold to receive notifications when the product is running low. Add product variants if the product comes in different sizes, colors, or materials. Click the Add Variant button and select the option that applies to your product. You can also set different prices for each variant. Organize your products by creating collections. Click the Collections tab and create a new collection. You can add products to the collection by clicking the Add Products button. This will make it easier for customers to find related products. Finally, click the Save button to upload the product to your Shopify store. Make sure to review your product page for any errors or missing information before making it available to customers. By following these steps, you can easily upload products to your Shopify store and start selling to customers.